My kids absolutely love this bracelet making kit that comes with a total of 2,300 polymer clay beads that consists of 1,520 colorful flat clay beads, 300 lettered beads, and 20 beads for the 24 different styles. And it even comes with one 10-meter row elastic string. Now, I also love the fact that it comes in a plastic case, and all of the beads are organized by style. Now, this is a great way to keep the kids entertained, especially on those cold or rainy days. And they also love being creative and creating bracelets, necklaces, and all the different things that they can make with the beads and with the elastic as well. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I even get in on a fun from time to time, and I love creating bracelets with these beads as well. Now, I highly recommend these. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.